BEESTAR 18 and 20-inch fan that you put on a wall. It rotates so many degrees and has a number of speeds that will cool you off, definitely in the summertime when you don't have air conditioner and doing work. What we're going to do is show you the install, how easy it is to hook up, and show you how simple it is to operate. Open up the box, grab the handle that's on top, and lift on out. Inside you'll find an instruction booklet and everything you need to do the install. The BEESTAR fan comes with a 3-prong plug, a pull chain with gold and white, 2 anchors, and 1 masonry anchor support, aluminum base plates, 3, the thumb bolts to tighten and loosen, and these clips over here that you're going to spread apart. It's hard at the very first time, as you can see, and they're going to come off on all the areas. Over here at the very top there is a clip, so you're going to take a screw out. Underneath is a nut placed to the side. Lift up and away, and you're able to clean your blade. Very simple indeed. And when you're all finished cleaning, you're going to put back the same exact way as it came off. This hole to this hole, like so. You're going to place back the screw, and you're going to lock all these tabs down. On the back of the unit is your DC motor. Over here there are hooks that you can simply just rest against the wall. And over here you have your handle, and here you have your pull chain. And this has 3 speeds of RPM. You may check further online and the instructions for the information provided. Snap in your chain. You're going to either take off the 2 bolts and place this on the wall by simply unscrewing, sliding over. Don't lose the rubber, don't lose the nut. Find a spot on the wall where you want to put your fan. Level this. Lock in the 2nd screw. Now the beauty of this plug is, if you take a nice close look over here, if your unit doesn't work, you slide this to show a fuse, up to a 5.0 amp fuse. So what we're going to do now is plug this bad boy in. I'm going to adjust my fan to the level I want and tighten down. It has an adjustment of almost 360 degrees. I get my angle. I pull my switch. I have number 1. I have a guard so my hands can't get in the way. I have speed number 2. Speed number 3. And off. The fan has a decibel of 60 dB when it's on the highest at 4,650 cubic feet per inch. The medium level is 4,000 and 3,500 is the low, and that's what we're on right now. I'll take the instruction booklet so you can see that the fan is working. I'll stand in front so this way the microphone, you may hear the wind blowing. We'll go to medium. And we'll go to high. Whoop, baby, that thing is blowing, as you can see right here. Oh yeah, that is a strong fan. Now you can place any angle you want in a nice warehouse to cool off your co-workers, yourself at a room. Hey, Don't put this outside because it's not waterproof, but you can mount it on a pole and bring it outside and put it where you're in a gazebo, a greenhouse, anywhere that you need to have a fan that is covered. I hope this product is something that you're looking for, that will give you unlimited cool time on 110 volts. The WMF18 model is 18 inches. There is a 20-inch model, and let me tell you, that's going to be one awesome fan as well, depending on what you're looking for. This comes in black, and I hope you enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for to cool off your needs. Enjoy your product, and thank you for viewing.